Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren says central leaders have given assurance on safety of Manipur's boundary, hence no need to convene special assembly session. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan criticizes Kokomi for demanding written assurance from centre on safety of Manipur's boundary from outcome of Naga peace talks. And Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urges historians to document only genuine historical facts of various communities to avoid conflicts in future. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren today said that there is no reason to convene a special assembly session since the central leaders have already given the assurance that Manipur will not be affected by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. He stated the same at the combined People's Day and Guild Leaders' Day held at the Dabur Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Chief Minister Biren asserted that he has already apprised the Union Home Minister about the people's concern with regard to the state's boundary. He maintained that the state government will call for a meeting with Kokomi and CSO's leaders in a couple of days before the centre calls for a stakeholders meeting. Clarifying about the recent ban on state government's financial transaction, Biren said that the move was taken as part of stringent measures to avoid possible overdraft of 200 crore rupees due to failure to release central share. He disclosed that 161 crore rupees was transferred as central share just yesterday and assured that the ban will be lifted without further delay. He also disclosed that by laws of the upcoming Stand Up Manipur is completed and notification will be issued at the earliest. Chief Minister N. Biren addressed the grievances of around 1,000 people during the event. Registrations of Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitingbang CMHD and Chief Minister Gi Sotharabal Singh Gitingbang CMSD schemes were carried out and 3 saplings were distributed to attendees on the occasion.
Assembly is totally denied of them. Assembly is totally denied of them. Now, government, popular government, Siamaga Sakar Malay, all political party team moina worked out, civil society team moina worked out. Central response to the negativity. Adudi Madugi negativity positive point. No, whatever you say, quick Kanagane with Ogni have been like the Adumina Coxul. Already done it low like that. I quit Gomez Laka Sony of Low. Aduna Koi, Soidana, Aquina Moroine, Sumba Porma Lakado Maline have a Tanjala Pakan. Soidana.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has criticized Kokomi's demand for a written assurance over and above the verbal assurance given by the centre about safety of Manipur's boundary from the final outcome of Naga peace talk as unreasonable. Speaking on the sidelines of Manipur Historical Society's annual meet at Standard College at Kongba in Imphal East today, R.K. Ranjan asserted that he knows his role as an MP and assured that he will play a befitting role as a member of the parliament to protect Manipur. He also clarified that the 4 MPs of the state are not ignoring the issue. He urged people to pray for peaceful conclusion of the peace talks.
MP amagi role phajana khangba mina they will not comment like that. MP ki role and duty I koi phajana khangi. Our activities, our duty will be only in parliament, not in the street. Any issue Manipur we are ready to argue and debate in the parliament only. I pray to God and also appeal to all our Manipuri people. Let us pray to God. Let the Naga peace be peacefully settled without disturbing our composite community culture and territorial integrity. Already assured by the Prime Minister, by the President, every higher of the assured to Krabaport Adu Akuna Tajabangam Dragadi. Where lies our stand? Adu de Aquitang Lure. Karida Signary Noido Miam the Hangiro, Aquayu Enadi, Aquaki leader na Piriba, commitment to Aquay the Prime Minister High Grade, no Aquay with Tajabar and Hungary, with all the teams in Taja, no in a Tajabit of the way Tajabado, I will not betray Sima High Grade. Laibaki quite our Prime Minister, Mana betrayed to Roy Hibasida, Carino Aiva Pu Hiders, Caramo Lebak the Sanagi Sumus. Yes, Sasaki.
Manipur Historical Society held its annual meet today. Gracing the event, Inner Manipur Parliamentary Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan appealed to historians to document only the true historical facts of various communities of the state to avoid conflicts and confusions among communities in future. Manipur Historical Society and Standard College jointly organized the event at the conference hall of the college in Kongba, Imphal East. Dr. R.K. Ranjan mentioned that it is time to discuss on possible solution from history of the current situation in the state. He appealed to Manipur Historical Society to carry out in-depth research and write the authentic history of tribal and Muslim communities in the state based on true incidents to avoid communion controversies like the recent Anglo-Kuki War controversy. Dr. R.K. Ranjan asserted that tampering of the state's historical facts by powerful some will ultimately lead to conflict between communities.
리한 떠올간다 아침부터 부토간다디 홍동도 보야돼 방이 이베야돼 히스토리에 트위스트 보야돼 가이세 마시 아이 라한자님과 카라수가 한다키스타 반자니 아들 마시 라고던다 봉제라니 까리기 시도르간다 한다키 스톤 용버기 용접기 마양 떠오르 발람 마이버나 발람이 와티 발람이 발람데 가는 것이 사이다니 마시 시츄에이션 컨플릭트 시츄에이션 가 보이나 technical 마양세 마시 historical society na with a solid background, not a storytelling nataba, with a concrete example. Tiraga asemba achumba history ma puthopanga magadi. I think in near future we should not have any kind of conflict. We should not have any kind of misunderstanding. They would radically. Aduna singi tiasu singi tiasu koi very antobasu radically. Even pangan ki tiasu hasana ibasagi. Otherwise, there may be conflict in after few decades. Because conflict am tholo kadawaya.
Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantakumar handed over a ventilator to Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims Hospital Authority to be kept at Janims Incentive Care Unit ICU today. MediAssist Insurance Incentive Care Unit donated the ventilator as part of its unceasing assistance in ensuring full implementation of Chief Minister Hakshen Gitengbang CMHT and Ayushman Bharat PMEZAY schemes. Janims Director Dr. Bhimo, Medical Superintendent Dr. Jitendra, Health Director Dr. K. Razo, and senior doctors of Janims attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that installation of the ventilator at the hospital ICU will greatly help poor patients who cannot afford expensive treatment at private hospitals. The Health Minister disclosed that 18 more ventilators are on the way in Manipur under the National Health Mission.
ICU harisi without ventilator yaw da makla ICU ko biya trebu adu marama si ventilator sing si ko ton dog jobani asi both director and the MS of Janims authority ma ko question azare aduga short partner tawi si mechin se lakpadagi to mechin myam su lakane lo na anuba makli life ma ti anu makli ke no ma ko mapok ama Janims ta amuk latana anaba lairaba maroina lari pangki mangda leiba aduga singumba si atop private hostel la effort to ngam ta kangbu sangda sina achoba service pi
Responding to media query on the prevailing situation in the state and lack of trust people have in the government, Health Minister Jayantakumar stated that the state leaders team led by Chief Minister N. Biren had already urged the central leaders not to disintegrate Manipur by finalization of the Naga peace talks. He added that central leaders' assurance that Manipur will not be affected and opinions of the stakeholders concerned will be considered before culminating the peace talk was given to the Chief Minister in the presence of all the ministers in the delegation team. Urging people to believe in the center's assurance, Minister Jayantakumar appointed democratic protest by people and CSOs of the state until the final outcome is justifiable.
Manipur Praja sing toriba si issue sing tori sing jama ko loinama government side wholeheartedly akoina appreciate to im namti akoi sarkar pairi kangmu khaktina tana praja mayam gi wakhalonda sumain to bose nungai te mai to biganu haibagi madugi ma tori mayam sina impact ma government India piba adu tiam pai mayam te request ni ai gi side gi government side gi onaba chief minister side gi Pili iba makli government sa mi ama kaki mamang de piba nate mi myang mamang de ni minister myang mamang de ni minister myang unurung matung de ni de hoji congress ki team chakri congress team de sum haire kani but sida haire myang tila aga myang de prajala pawu tamu doin adu madu de swatam haire aduna let us wait and watch to see adu pawu de akoi gi kana sipullaga akoi sum dharna to si sukai de it's so democratic process amane ki sukai de but to de thaje biu hon haiba doni do tawri witum thaje de haiba taraga de there is no compromise.
Manipur People's Democratic Alliance MPDA has condemned BJP MLA S. Rajan's explanation on why the state government failed to convene a special state assembly session to discuss on Naga peace talk issue. It may be mentioned that the MLA yesterday told protesters at Lamsang that the state government did not call for a special assembly session, fearing disunity among the 60 state MLAs. Speaking to media at MPP office near Polo Ground today, MPDA convener cum president of Trinamool Congress Manipur, Dr. T.H. Inauza stated that MPDA is a conglomerate of 12 political parties of Manipur and that MPDA is a concern for the safety of Manipur. He mentioned that MLA Rajan's statement clearly shows that the BJP leaders are still going through leadership tussle and hence unable to even organize a meeting to discuss on the present issue. Chairman of the MPDA cum MPP President O. Jugindro urged the government to convene a special assembly session to take a firm decision to save the territorial integrity of Manipur. He also assured that the alliance will support the people's movement to save Manipur.
Sarkar state support MLA Nimpuse. Masi manung day da makoi mon manadre habise man high wafam sina taxerabani. Mon manadrabani na akoi gi assembly ka umatamda Manipur gi su khanabagi mahut adom da sattadana hammunabagi hidanabagi lamjelom da laakanida sarkar se kai gidra haibagi mi paibe leibedagi makoi de apprehension nama MLA sing de leibedagi sarkar kai gidra singnabadagi moi assembly ka bungam da bo oiramsu yai masi soida oigani
Manipur prajana nunangi base masi kong na bugidang mata karingba pambaya wa tawo matamda haidok pidrabanina akoi Manipur government na tongan ba step ama aidi tongan ba separate decision nama lorni haibugumba baro sarkar da sagi mungna ba masangeba adu yauna mungna biu hasini akoi na thamjari.
Assistant Coordinator of Kokomi K.H. Athoba has warned the state leaders who denied convening a special assembly session to bear the risks of old unwanted consequences if the final outcome of Naga peace talk ever affect Manipur. Taking part in an alert protest meet organized by Van Service Association of Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School at Queringay today, K.H. Athoba condemned this explanation given by Lamsang MLA Salam Trazent on why the assembly session has not been convened. He asserted that Kokomi, along with people, came out on street to protest as the leaders have failed to take necessary action for the welfare of the state.
Ada India government da NSN IM na ngang khiba oida badu yumpham oiraga sagat khiba du loba wakhalon mayam do madu aikogi assembly gi floor na madu phajana justify tawrakanda argument du thamakanda reject tawrakanda miyam gi achumba pod du puthomina achumba du da ware bam launa na bo hona biu ware badu da thawai yawba achumba bu achumba gi damak lepa MLA अखोई ऑनरेबल MLA मैमना मधुर सपोर्ट तौरकांदा हाउस अदुना रिजोल्यूशन में पास तौ हाइबनी मसिदैसदा लिंजेन माननी मानरो हेन मोइना हाना उछलगा असेंबली फमदनबगी नाथैबा पोड से तौरिबसे हौजिकपुदी फै हयें सोयदना लेबा कायरक तारगदी असेंबली फमौदबगी टेकचाक खुदिमकसे अखोई MLA सिंग लोइना पुगनी हाइबसे मणिपुर मैमना मधु लोइना मधु अखोइना लोइना मधु मार्क तौसलगा थमजरी हाइबसे मसि मैमदा अपील तौजगे.
CPI Sugnu Local Council carried out protest meet at Kakching Kuno against disintegration of Manipur today. Taking part in the protest, CPI State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar and Secretary of Indian Lawyers Association Manipur K.H. Samungo asserted that non-disclosure of the agreement between the Indian government and Asian IM, even upon reaching the final stage of Naga peace talks, has intensified apprehension among the people of Manipur. CLP leader Okram Ibobi led Congress Legislative Party MLAs in meeting with the National General Secretary of Communist Party of India (CPI) MP Doraisamy Raza at CPI head office in New Delhi today. The party leaders submitted a memorandum to the CPI National General Secretary and appealed to move the House in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament not to let the culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talk disintegrate Manipur and not to implement Citizenship Amendment Bill in Manipur. MP Doraisamy Raza assured to put his best efforts in the Parliament. Club members and Merapaibis of Moirang Purent Itam Tumukong, along with members of the Itam Moirang Purent, Tumukong Dam Tata Music and Drivers Union carried out protest demonstration at Moirang Purent Puramakong today under the banner of Kokomi. Speaking to media, member of Moirang Purent Mairat Loop, T.H. Syam Saki, stated that Manipur comprises of both hills and valley and blamed the prevailing situation to the weakness of the 60 state MLAs. The union carried out a music rally from Tumukong till Puramakong.
moi bhaji ma ukhun da pok pani Manipur machani kari manam gi no mana Manipur gi ningkha tambagi tanaram da greater Nagaland na tanaram gi mahauta Manipur gi apum gi saktam akhoi Manipur gi ngamkhai kai ba yaroi haina mana ngasi thangkat pir ba tar ga di tawbiram ba tar ga di akhoi yam nungai jaga dam Manipur gi ngamkhai ja koi kai ba sia yaroi singmi tammi ha ba che thaina wange dagi ipai bu hangtak dagi mari makhong si isin na hoi na khoi loina rak pani emele hum phu sna siam yaung na thongang khun gi kai ba yaroi ka hel loi ha na di oi ba yaroi emele hum phu ma pang kan sole kari no noi na chen la mu sarkar ma sem dori ni a sem sin dori ni sarkar ni sem ni na sem di kai no hona ga dam ni sarkar manung da kari no noi amot na kai me yam le ga a sem sin to kani adu sin to kani ha ja na thong na su leita ba.
Staffs and workers of Tera Urak Industrial Estate Entrepreneur Association in Bisnupur district also carried out alert protest meet against disintegration of Manipur and formation of territorial council by the final outcome of Naga peace talks today. Protesters chanted various slogans. Hyanglam Block Congress Committee carried out protest demonstration at Hyanglam Laifangan Market Shade today against disintegration of Manipur. President of Kakching Block Congress Committee, Elangbont Malemba, was among the protesters. People of Singjubung Klairak, Kaisamtong, Elangbont Laikai, Kwakaitel also carried out protest demonstration today against disintegration of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talks. Members of Old Mairapaibi and club organization Tekcham and Ningsing Club Tekcham today carried out alert protest rally in and around Tekcham village of Thawal district today, covering their mouth with white cloth against disintegration of Manipur. Students of various schools in Hyanglam area also carried out humane chain protests on Mae Lambi today. Student protesters chanted various slogans demanding to save the territorial integrity of the state. Volunteers of the Innocent People of Naga, VIPN, in a press release informed that it has submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren demanding to preserve the territory of Manipur from disintegration by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. Members of Sapam Plairak Apun Bamaira Paibitluft and the juvenile club Tera Sapam Plairak in Patsoi constituency also jointly staged alert protest meet under the banner of Kokomi today. They extended solidarity to all the initiatives of Kokomi to save the state.
Naga Pistoki Warishina, Manipur Nkai Kabiaroi. I call Kokomi Sansalak Bakong Kodimata, Samalege, Apun Bamaira Paibi, and the club Angapana, Sarugagani. Aduna koi Manipur sangui kai biaroi Manipur ngangke kai biaroi Naga pistoki warasna Manipur ki territory digiti kai biaroi long live.
On the other hand, Karam Union Manipur in a press release clarified that the union has no connection with the protest demonstration carried out by Tuishengfai Youth Club, Tuishengfai Women's Society, and United Women's Rights Defenders Organization Manipur against disintegration of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talk on November 10. Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KAIMEX, has demanded the state government to finalize the recruitment process of Thangta teachers for schools and to earmark exclusive fund for Thangta in the arts and culture departments. KAIMEX advisor K. Jiten stated that the same at the first ever Thangta Ginumit observance organized by KAIMEX at Lamyanba Sangklen today. He maintained that Thangta can be taught in 3 categories, namely education, culture, and games and sports. He urged the people and the state government to take special measures to preserve the art form. Director of Arts and Culture, Sivdas Sarma, KAIMEX President, and Azit Kumar, COSEM Secretary, CH Biren, Sana Konung Thangta President, TH Ibohanbi, Thangta teachers and students attended the event. 27 individuals who were arrested by police on November 11th last year during their hesitation against recruitment issue of Thangta teachers were felicitated on the occasion.
Thangta se hojikti Manipur government ki education gi smaina hapa smaina art and culture loisang da chu tongan ma thang ta gi budget lama thampam to i sehi gi obasoi thoi taba loina art and culture loisang da thang ta gi oiba tongan ba posing semaga oja sing apom to i jagoi gi isai gi pung gi ras gi nataga khamba thoi bi gi mai bi gi thamma jagoi gi thamba smaina chu thang ta gi oiba posama oja sing apom to i ba phamji akoina Manipur government ki mai kai da art and culture gi mai kai da ki mes ki mai kai gi thamoi sing.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on members of Nurses Association TNAY AI Jennings units teasing sit in demanding government to fulfill their 3-point of memorandum of understanding. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Joint Secretary of Nurses Association TNAI Jennings PH Janapriya has warned of ceasework strike by 421 nurses of Jennings if the government do not fulfill their agreed-upon demands letters by November 17. Speaking to media on the sidelines of 3-day sit-in stays in front of Jennings Medical Superintendent Office, which began yesterday, PH Janapriya expressed disappointment that the government has failed to fulfill their 3-point memorandum of understanding despite repeated pleas till date. She maintained that assistant nursing, superintendent nurses, nursing sisters, OPD nurses and staff nurses of nursing colleges under the association carried out the protest demonstration due to the government's failure. She warned of the indefinite ceasework strike from November 18th if the government still ignored their demands for enhanced grade pay, nursing allowance and uniform allowance for the JNM nurses within the deadline.
Karigumba yanaba pot amata laktraba adu taragadi akhoi date 18 dagi hauna akhoi total nurse lairiba jenim sa lairiba nurse mayam se thoklaga masida phammani akhoi thabak suba lepani haina phongdok saningi khoina tawraiba demand ai si akhoi gi oijaba khaktagi tawraga tawbani haidana praja miyamna khanbi ganu yamna koina long pending oiraba demand ni khoi 2010 dagi haudana khoi tangna dana lakpani khoina khoi gi patient amasung praja singbu yamna nungsijai aduna mayamna khoina tawriba kaino si demand asida sahajok pibiu.
Manirada Chairman G.S. Haupu inspected Chorchampu District Hospital and interacted with the hospital authorities today. CMO Medical Superintendent, Deputy Medical Superintendent and specialist doctors attended the meeting held this afternoon at around 3 in the Medical Superintendent's chamber. Inspection visit was made on the sidelines of complaints from patients about negligence by the hospital doctors. Manipuri Boys Hostel at Silchar town of Kasar district in Assam is in a deplorable condition. Journalists of Jiribam came across the pathetic condition during an inspection visit yesterday. The media team came across incomplete construction of kitchen, library and office of the hostel. Speaking to media, President of Manipuri Benevolent Society S. Komlakanta said that the hostel was established under Manipuri Benevolent Society in 1974. He asserted that many students from various states including Manipur, Tripura and Assam have been staying at the hostel. Komlakanta said that efforts are being made to take renovation project of the hostel worth around 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. He said that Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited K. Sarat Kumar have been already apprised about the same. Speaking on the sidelines, President of the All Assam Manipuri Student Union, PH Nilakanta, expressed disappointment that Assam government has failed to give any positive response to their plea to renovate the hostel. He urged the state government to look into the matter without further delay.
Manipur Sarkar, amadi well-wisher mayamgi maiki degisu, hari hostel si sab de khoina mateng pangajaningi, akhoi leiba toilet ki fibam, adugi je akhoi asomda library kam office am service su akhoi losin mangamdri, adugi je akhoi lam si khara rolen oiba, name manina masi ju lebak thonbi art feeling gi rak patangai fadwal palak mani mangana singba art feeling is de changa daina khalli. The chaurak nei khoi nabju sarva project si sagi karoram ga lupa lak unmuki project asini. Adamasi matang da Manipur de leiba Manipur Sarkar, Manipur ki praja sing, Manipur ki civil society organization leader sing, khuding maki maiki dagi akoi da mateng pangbiu hai
mu hena lumna lojai sidi asam government no ena loraga su kayane khona manipur de hena khona khana thajabe hen bai tare maramdi khogi mateng pang basi khoina asam government da haiba si haraga su tabi da bai tare manipur di akoi china ong toy bani mo no hena tabi ga dra na sigi proposal se thamgi bani asam government da su kyara haijare sigi maramdi akoi chaw tawn me sida leiriba lam sida khoina ta paisa collection targo su hoche sabangam de ba adu manipur da leiriba china myam aidi akoi मंत्री मैम लेकिन सरकार की माइगेदगी टीएसओ माइगेदगी हेन मतंग पांगागदी अखोइन ngasi mangjariba manglana si soida.
Security has beefed up in the state to avoid any untoward incident in the wake of prevailing situation. As a part of the security measures, Imphal West District Commando team carried out search operation at various areas under the supervision of the Imphal West District Police SP K. Mega Chandra today. The team led by OC P. Achoba conducted cordon and search operation from Pisumthong till Makong from 7:50 to 8:45 this morning. 75 individuals were verified, out of which 11 individuals without proper identification proofs were arrested. Cordon and search operations were also carried out at Jiri Parking, Maharadi Bridge and Waheng Plekai bus parking from 9 to 9:55 a.m. 110 individuals were verified, out of which 11 individuals without proper identification proofs were apprehended. A combined team of Thawal District Commando and 26 Assam Rifles apprehended 3 suspected caddies of proscribed KCPP from Thawal Atokpam Bazaar at around 4:30 p.m. yesterday. The arrested persons are 25-year-old Hizam Chobarani, daughter of late H. Nimai from Atokpam Mayay Likai, 34-year-old Namirapam Romas, son of the Ndiaima from Tentha Mayay Likai, and 32-year-old Longzamt Anand Kumar, son of late L. Joy Kumar from Lamding Cherapur. The team, including Quemen police personnel, first arrested Sobarani, who is an overground member of the outfit. Upon integration, the team was able to arrest Romis and Anand Kumar. A case has been registered against them. The National Seminar on Commonwealth Literature, Culture and Folklore kicked off at the seminar hall of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University today. Department of English and Cultural Studies, Manipur University and Indian Society for Commonwealth Studies jointly organized the seminar. Speaking on the sidelines, Professor of Department of the English and Cultural Studies, Manipur University, M. Mani, said that the seminar aimed to bridge the gap between Commonwealth literature, culture and folklore and to stress on the significance of culture and folklore in discoursing literature. He asserted that the academically beneficial seminar will give a new dimension to culture and folklore.
Seminar se yamna academic oiba yamna kana ba dugumba seminar amane masina ikoige mayam ge wrong assumptions mayam ama traditional assumptions mayam literature ga culture ga lapna ba literature ga folklore ga lapna na urma mayam da du bridge tawna ba dugumba pot amane id nakshan na ba duga in id the study of literature in relation to culture and the folklore adugi pandam dana ikoina se study tawre bsa literature haiba se ikoina study tawma tam da thengnari bse atai karim tanati it is an expression of culture, it is the representation of culture, and in culture what we find again is
one-day legal literacy program quiz competition was held at the complex of KM Blooming Higher Secondary in Kangabok today. District Legal Services Authority Thawal organized the competition under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority Imphal. Advocate Mohammad Zakir Hussain gave resourceful insights on Environmental Law and Solid Waste Management Rule 2016, while Advocate Kwesnam Tlembisana Meidingo stressed on rights of children and Childline 1098. Maibam Safir Rahman of DM College of Arts, Solewon Jimik of Pettigrew College Ukrult, and Haubam Krishna Kumari have bagged the first, second, and third position, respectively, at a state-level essay writing competition held on pros and cons of Citizenship Amendment Bill. Directorate of University and Higher Education in a press release informed that the winners will be felicitated at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound on November 18. A district-level workshop on implementation of the SD Scholarship on National Scholarship Portal was held at YPA Hall in Chorchampur today. ZEOs of Churachandpur District and Fazul District attended the workshop sponsored by Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Hills Government of Manipur. Manipur Student Federation (MSF) in a press release informed that it has postponed its proposed two-day academic convention 2019 on November 16 and 17 due to prevailing situation of the state as well as nearing of final examination of schools and colleges. KCP People's Work Group in a press release banned import of betel leaves and tobacco products in the state by via land or air routes. The proscribed outfit warned of strict actions against violators. Mahindra Siva Auto Tech Private Limited, Gari, has opened its first smart outlet showroom at Moirang Oksongbong in Bishnupur District. Chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council, Romi Bala, inaugurated the showroom today. Sales manager of the showroom, I. Kiran Kumar, asserted that the showroom will make available various products of Mahindra Company to customers living in far from the Imphal city. Now the sports news. Gold medalist of first STAI India Open International Taekwondo Championship 2019, Kangabam Rosie, reached Imphal today. Players from Bangladesh, India, Uzbekistan and Nepal competed in the tournament held at New Delhi from November 8 to 10. Rosie bagged gold medal in the open category. It may be mentioned that Rosie has won several medals at state and national level tournament, bringing pride for the state. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nothomam Biren says central leaders have given assurance on safety of Manipur's boundary, hence no need to convene special assembly session. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan criticizes COCOMI for demanding written assurance from centre on safety of Manipur's boundary from outcome of Naga peace talk. And Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urges historians to document only genuine historical facts of various communities to avoid conflicts in future.